I was in New York when I got a phone call. Mom had a stroke. She was vacationing in Vietnam, her homeland, when it happened. We all flew up to see her. It took 2 months before she had enough strength to get on a plane to return to Hawaii. My mom loves to cook Vietnamese food. Maybe that's why I became a chef. She's a very instinctual cook. A handful of this, a dash of that. It's the food I grew up with. When we got home, Mom could barely speak or walk. She was depressed. Cooking became a way to motivate her. That was her physical therapy. Every day she would teach me one of her dishes. Caramelized black pepper shrimp, pork belly and egg stewed in coconut broth, grilled pork belly with fresh herbs and vermicelli noodles. Through cooking, over simmering broths and fragrant spices, her smile returned. We got our mom back. It was always my mother's dream to have her own restaurant. We opened a stand at a farmer's market serving her Vietnamese dishes. Whatever we made, people lined up. Banh mi sandwiches, bun bowls, pork belly plates. It made her feel good to bring so much happiness to people. My brother Alex kept the operational side running smoothly. We had a great team, so we took another step and opened our first restaurant in Chinatown serving Vietnamese fusion cuisine. My career as a chef had taken me to San Francisco, Chicago, and New York. Now, I was on a new journey with my mom. I added French technique and unique flavors. She made sure every dish was rooted in our family heritage. Mama Lei, as guests call her, is the heart of what we do. Our restaurant in Hawaii is called The Pig and the Lady. My mother is the lady, and the pig? Yeah, that's me. At the end of the Vietnam War, my parents fled the country. They were headed to a refugee camp in Arkansas when my mom went into labor on the flight over. The plane had to stop in Hawaii to refuel, so they got off. My mom gave birth to my older brother and they ended up staying. They didn't have any money, so they needed the help of strangers to survive. The maternity doctor helped my dad get a job. Local families defriended them and would check on them. 3 decades later, our family is running a successful restaurant. I was recognized as a semi-finalist for the James Beard Foundation Rising Chef Award. We expanded to Kaka'ako, opening up Piggy Smalls, and then also having a Pig and Lady location in Tokyo. Business was booming, then COVID hit. Like other restaurants, we are weathering the storm, but our team has grown stronger. We are cooking for families in need, helping to feed the homeless, and supporting our kupuna. The kindness of strangers helped my parents when they first arrived in Hawaii. Now, it's our turn to give back.